Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another weekly Liv video. You guys, I'm currently just in a life funk and I'll talk to you guys about it later. I want to sit down and talk to you guys about how I'm feeling, but right now what I'm about to do, as you guys can maybe see by the pile of clothes, I watched Tidying Up by Marie Kondo like every other person in the whole flipping world it seems on my Instagram feed, and I'm gonna do the clothes section of the thing now. I don't know if I'm gonna do the other parts because oh, my tummy is rumbling. I'm really hungry, but I'm waiting for my friend to come over to eat, so pray for me. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do the rest of it, but I definitely know that I want to do the clothes part, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of how everything looks. I am not doing my activewear. So this is the start of it. I got these for Christmas from Emily and Tom. How cute are they? And then I went and bought these ones. Whoops. Anyway, so that's like some of my clothes. And then in here, these are all mine. I know you guys probably think this isn't that much. I actually don't have that many clothes. But those are my clothes. Most of these don't fit anymore. And then in here, we've got shorts, skirts. Now my drawers are buggered. You guys will see. They won't open properly. But this is like tops, more tops. You can see they're like saggy. I need to buy a new set of drawers. This is the one that's really bad. It's, well, the next two are. This is like pants, for some reason jumpers, and then pajamas. And then, can you see what I mean about these drawers? They suck. I need to buy new ones. And then in here is jumpers. So I'm going to pull all of this out. You guys have seen them before. Don't even ask me about this because this is not mine. That's all Corbu stuff. Pull all of this out, put it on here, and then sort it. I'll show you guys the keep pile and the throw pile, but I need to just take all of that, put it here, all of that, put it there. This is me in the mirror. I went to the gym and I didn't even really work out, but I'm still going to show you my butt because you guys know me. What I'm thinking is going to happen is, because I'm expecting my friend to come over at like 10:30 and right now it's like just gone 10 o'clock I think. Yeah, 10:04. What I'm thinking is going to happen is I'm going to get all of my clothes out, and then as soon as they're all out she's going to arrive, but that's okay. So that's my big mission for today, is to do my clothes. But we're going for like a really big walk and I'm quite excited because, like I said, I'm in a gym funk, I'm in a life funk at the moment, so I'm excited to go and like do something. So this is only my wardrobe and this is way more clothes than I thought I had, full stop. I think a lot of it is like coats, so it looks worse, but like what the heck. Let's keep going. I might put you down here because you get kind of a bit of perspective. Alright. I do just want to sort these out, but I know the method is to like put all of your clothes out, so here we go, all of my clothes. So these are all of my clothes. I don't know if you guys can really tell how big the pile is. This is a queen bed and it's like completely covered in clothing. And it's like, wow. You don't really realise how many clothes you have until you do this. Like, I genuinely didn't think my pile was going to be this big. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. This is my to throw pile. I'm determined not to use any rubbish bags. I think I'm just going to put all of that into my car without a rubbish bag, and I'm probably going to regret my life choices. Got Marie Kondo here. The pile is like halved. I started with the hanging stuff. So this is the stuff, including this. This is the stuff that I have to like try on. But so far I've already gotten rid of so much stuff. Like this. All of these had clothes on. It's crazy. It's actually crazy how many clothes you don't actually wear. So yeah, I have to go through all of these to see, like, these things I like and I want to see if they fit. Like this one, I'm not taking off my tights, but this one like fits okay, but I really like it because it's cute, so I'm going to keep this one. So I have to do this, trying on everything that's here, and then I can just go through all of this because I know this stuff fits, because I recently did a cull. But now I want to like refold it and just double check. So this stuff was harder. This stuff should be quite easy. Ignore RuPaul's, but this is what I'm keeping. That is what I'm throwing. It's tall. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a lot of clothes. Good morning, it is Wednesday and I just want to apologize for my eye. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's been like so itchy the last 24 hours. I feel like it looks swollen, so apologies for that. I legit just woke up. It's like not even 8 o'clock yet. It's real early today, which is okay. I need to start getting up a little bit earlier. Anyways, I finished cleaning. The pile is gone. I'm not hiding it. I actually did finish, so let me show you guys what my drawers look like now. There is one drawer that hasn't got anything in it and I don't know what I'm going to put in there. I'm contemplating putting my crop jumpers in there. Like, I legit have no clothes now, but I can see where my gaps are and what I need to buy because I have no clothes. I can see a really cute cat from my window and I want to pet it. Anyway, so this drawer here is empty, but then in this drawer I feel like what I might do actually is take the shorts out and put them in here because I thought I could fit shorts and skirts, but now it's like overstuffed, so I'll probably divide those out. And then this drawer is nicely full, so these here are plain singlets, these are singlets, I think that's a bodysuit. So singlets, bodysuits, crops, and then here we've got like nice singlet tops, and then these are like shirts, and then these are just like plain. These are muscle tees, and then these are like little t-shirt things. This is like a family heirloom. It's like this freaking Vicks Vapor Rub. I know you guys probably, oh no, you can see 2003 and it still smells exactly the same. I want to keep this so that it's like 30 years old. So right now it's 16 years old, so that's pretty good. Ignore that, you guys. These drawers are so broken. Now this is my t-shirts drawer. So I've got all of my printed t-shirts here, and then these are my plain, well, it's not exactly plain, but plain t-shirts. These ones are long sleeves. These ones are short sleeves. This drawer brings me great satisfaction. I love this drawer. So I've got jeans, and then these are like my Gymshark trackies, well, track pants, but they're more like leggings, and then I've got leggings and ponty pants, and then these are like pants, and then at the back I've got my pajamas, and then this drawer is kind of overstuffed, but I've got like woolen jumpers down this end. These are my Gymshark Solace jumpers, and then down here I've got like that hoodie style jumper, so if that kind of makes sense, like they're hoodies but they're kind of sweaters, but I just mean they're like that thicker material. And yeah, this is just like a little Gymshark one. I did already show you this, but these are all of the clothes that I threw away. Almost all of these had clothes on, and then I also had some hangers that I threw out, and then I've got tops, dresses, and then jackets. So I just nipped to my parents' house to pick up a package, or 2 packages, and I think one of them was my Gymshark pants, my faux Gymshark pants. So let me just open it and then we can try them on. So this is the bag. Looks very AliExpress. I can promise you guys right now, if these aren't what I was expecting, I'm going to be so disappointed. Okay, we're good. So this is them. I'm so excited. I have been wanting this Gymshark pant style for the longest time. Okay, so I own 2 pairs of the legit ombre leggings, and these honestly feel exactly the same. Like, I'm actually kind of weirded out at how much they feel exactly like the Gymshark ombre pants. So these are the leggings on. Now they come just as high as the regular ombre, which is like ridiculously high. Actually, they might even be a little bit higher, I'm not sure. The booty contour is actually more flattering, like in a better place than the actual Gymshark booty contour. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's actually, I didn't have to hike it as much, and I don't know, after movement, yeah, it doesn't seem to sag as much. Right now I am going to have lunch with Corpu in the city. Ages ago it was, I went to the gym, it was good. I honestly don't know when I last vlogged. All I know is that my camera was in the car. But anyway, yeah, went to my gym class, it was really good. I freaking love that class. And then came home, I tried to make like bacon and egg scramble. I mean like eggs with ham, like scrambled together, and the eggs tasted really gross. I don't know what I did wrong. I didn't put milk in, but they tasted real gross. So anyway, I couldn't eat them basically. So I just had some jerky, because jerky is like my new life's obsession. And now I'm heading into the city. The only thing that I haven't noticed before with this dress, I haven't worn it in a long time, but while I was like taking out the rubbish, my entire boob like fell out of it. So hopefully my entire boob doesn't fall out of this dress when I'm in the city. Good morning guys, it is Thursday, and for some reason I feel like if there's any day that I'm gonna feel like really crap, it's a Thursday. I just feel a little bit like groggy this morning, and I've been up for like quite a while. Anyway, I'm gonna go to my class really soon. I'm just drinking my Oxy Shred before I go. But I just spent like about 10 minutes just sitting here and deciding what I want to eat today. So this is how I like track my macros and eat and stuff like that when I'm being like good. As in like I haven't done this for ages, but this is my favorite way to do it, if that makes sense. So basically the way that I always will plan out what I'm going to eat. And in saying this doesn't get boring for me. And if I'm at school, my calories are larger, so I will usually leave a little bit more space for like, I go into the staff room and there's like a biscuit there, or like a kid brings me a donut. Like I'm not going to be like, no, I'm not having it. I'll just like adjust, but I do like to kind of like pre-plan for the day. So if I'm at work, I'll generally do this the night before, or even like I'll do it the week before. But anyway, let me explain. So what I like to do is I like to always make sure that I know what I want for dinner. That's where I start, because dinner is generally for me the biggest meal of the day, or it's like the meal that is kind of like the most calorically dense, which I don't know if that's a good thing. It probably should be my first meal of the day, but I always tend to have quite a lot of like calories at dinner time, because obviously I don't like only cook for myself, and we have like pastas and pizzas and all sorts of stuff like that for dinner. So I always make sure that I start with my dinner. So I know that we're having steak for dinner tonight, I know that we're having it with rice, and I know that I'm going to want some steak sauce, so I put that in first, and then I kind of like work my way back from there. So yeah, I always start with dinner. And if it's really easy if I have a meal prep as well, like if I'm doing a meal prep for the whole work week, it's super duper easy. So this is my gym outfit for today. I'm just wearing this muscle tee because I'm going to be jumping around, so I needed to wear something that was like not as cropped. I think cropped stuff when you're like jumping around is not ideal, but if it gets too hot, I can just like tie it up in a little knot. I'm wearing my AliExpress Gymshark leggings. These are the ombre ones. And then for my sports bra, I'm wearing my like all-time favorite high impact one, which I think is called the Endurance, or the Endurance sports bra, I think. Anyway, love it, love it, love it. I actually like I can't deal with how red my face is after I work out. Like, are you actually kidding me? So I just got back from the class. I feel like my face looks so red post like actual like really hard exercise that it looks like I've got some sort of like medical condition, because I look at it compared to like my whiteness. Anyway,